Ecosystem. Ecosystem divided into biotic and abiotic components. The first one is biotic components. The biotic components include all living organisms, considers the living organism present in the environmental system from the nutrition point of view. The biotic component can be grouped into two basic components, autotrophic component and heterotrophic components. The autotrophic components include all the green plants which fix the radiant energy of the sun and manufacture food from inorganic substances. The heterotrophic component include non-green plant and all animals which take food from the autotrophic. So the biotic components of an ecosystem can be described under the following three headings. One is producer, then consumer, and decomposer or reducer and transformers. First one is producer. Producers are the autotrophic elements, that is green plants. They use radiant energy from the sun in the photosynthetic process, where carbon dioxide is assimilated and the light energy is converted into chemical energy. The chemical energy actually locked up in the energy rich carbon compound. Oxygen is evolved as byproduct in the photosynthesis process. This is used in respirations by all living things. Producers also known as converters or transducers. Example, grasses of the field, trees of the forest. Consumers. Second one is consumers. Those living members of ecosystem which consume the food synthesized by producers are called consumer. Under this category are include all kinds of animals that are found in ecosystem. There are different classes or categories of consumers. Primary or first order consumer. Second one is secondary or second order consumers. Tertiary or third order consumers, and parasites, scavengers and saprops. Primary consumers, they are purely herbivorous animals that they are dependent for the food on producers or green plants, insect, rodent, rabbit, deer, cow, buffalo, or some of the common herbivores in terrestrial ecosystem. They are often called as key industrial animals because the herbivores serve as the chief food source of carnivores. Second one is secondary consumers. These are carnivorous and omnivorous. Carnivores are flesh-eating animals and the omnivores are the animals that are adapted to consume herbivores as well as plant as the food, like fox, wolves, dog, cats and snakes. Tertiary consumers. These are the top carnivores which prey upon other carnivores, omnivores and herbivores. Lion, tigers. These are the tertiary or top consumers. Then parasites, scavengers and saprops. Besides different classes of consumers, the parasites, scavengers, saprops are also included in all consumers. The parasite plant and animals utilize the living tissues of different plants and animals. The scavengers and saprops utilize dead organic matters, remains of animals and plants as their food. Decomposer and transformers. These are the living component of the ecosystem and they are fungi and bacteria. Decomposer attack the dead remains of producers and consumers and degrade the complex organic substances into smaller compounds. The simple organic matters are then attracted by another kinds of bacteria. The transformers which change this organic compound into inorganic forms that are suitable for use by producers or green plants. Thank you.